It's been a while, so I don't know how these things works anymore. Hello, hello YouTube. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I don't really know how to say this because it's been a while. I'm not usually I'm not usually online anymore like before. Okay, I'm coming online purposely today because I wanted to share an opportunity with a few people so that I could have other people who could uh, join me in the journey. Now, I think the first set of people have made this open to. Oh, Pius. Okay, the set of people. I think the video is still uploading, right? The video is still uploading. The first set of people who have posted this to are my students, people who are in my community. I just want to share an opportunity with them so that now this opportunity is free. Okay, you're not paying anything. I'm actually at the mechanic workshop. I just feel like I should share this before my phone runs out. And once I get home, I'll probably not have the time to even come online. Now, the essence of it is to help you make money. December is approaching. You're gonna need only just three major things, okay? Three main things. Number one, you need to have at least 1 hour. Okay, forget you know about trading, you have been trading, you have traded before, you have blown account, you have blown money. Yes, it's true. But you see, the pattern and the way you're gonna trade is gonna help you to overcome even challenges of losses or the feeling of losing money, the experience you've had before, couple of many other things. Okay, it's not going to be a totally strange thing. You only require to have minimum capital of like 60,000 naira. Okay, minimum capital of 60,000 naira. 1 hour dedicated daily that you're going to allow yourself to trade. Okay. I don't understand. Hotspot will be turned off. Do I have hotspot turned on before? I don't understand. Sorry, guys. I don't understand. Hey, no wonder. You guys might not even hear me because my Bluetooth is connected to the. Meanwhile, I wanted it connected to my. It's just connected to this one now. It was connected to the car before. Okay, so the main update I bring to you is very simple. Just an opportunity for everyone to be able to. I don't understand. Is it because my phone battery is low? Everything is dark somehow. Okay, the main idea is for everyone to be able to. Okay, Power say you can hear me. Everyone to be able to make money. Okay, as little as it is, you'll be able to make money. And earning in dollars now is a big deal. I will not lie to you, it's a big deal. Before, probably maybe you collect $10. $10 is like maybe 5,000 naira or 6,000 naira. Right now, $10 is like 11,000 or 12,000. Okay, so even if you're making $10 every day, it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot of it will help a lot. Now you see the major challenge majority people face is because anxiety. We always have anxiety of we want to make more because we need more to settle all the things we have around us. Now I don't want you to have that mindset. You are not going to suddenly make all the money in the world. No, it is not. It is not a get rich quick scheme. No, not at all. In fact, I'll tell you the plan. The plan is that you are not going to get paid until 3 to 4 months. You are not going to be paid. You are not going to collect money. You are not going to pay yourself until 3 to 4 months. So if you're willing to learn how to, because, okay, let me just cite an example so that it becomes very easier to understand. Let's say you have 60,000 naira, and your first month you are able to turn the 60,000 to 120, and the next month you first month 60, second month 120, 120 to 240, 240 to 480. Okay, 480. Now you are making 480,000 for the month, 480 to 960. By the time you make like $1 million plus, and the 6 months you are trying to pay yourself, even if you divide it by 6, you will still be earning over 200,000 naira per month. But you see, the challenge is that you first need to caution and train your mindset. Yes, you are expecting. No, it's going to come. Okay, I've done this repeatedly, and I like to start all over again. So in the month of November, I'm starting all over again. I'm starting afresh again. Now the minimum, that's why I said the minimum capital you need to have is like 60,000. Now, from 60,000, there is a Signal platform where you can go. You're going to be trading. Now this Signal platform, I've run it for a whole year. Okay, I have it on auto, but the auto has issue. Okay, it has some technical issue that I need to resolve. The automated is working. It works fine on my own system locally. It works fine, but on the server I need to place it on, I need to select location because of DERIV, so that it's going to be able to trade DERIV. Nigeria is allowed to trade. US is not allowed to trade. Most of them have US server. Most of them have UK London server, France and some other countries like that. And I'm looking for Nigerian server. So I've decided that, okay, instead of me looking for Nigerian server, why not let me? It's just that our internet in Nigeria are you bad. Sorry about the noise. I'm at the mechanic workshop. All the internet we have in Nigeria, they're nowhere. They can suddenly just take light or go offline. Okay, so I had to learn to build my bot trader with our bad internet. That when there is no internet, no work. When there is internet, you resume work. No internet go off, no work. Once internet no day, you know the work. Once internet is back, it continues. I had to build it that way. So I'm not talking about robots for you now, okay? What I'm talking about is an opportunity for you to trade the same signal this robot is trading, which I've found out to be very, very productive. It has helped me a lot. Okay, it has helped me a lot. It trades both buy and sell. Okay, trades both buy and sell. So I'm going to make it available for only 10 people. Now, 10 people are coming from my students, and I want probably 10 people from people who are not my students. You have not traded before, you have not whatever before, you want an opportunity to make money. I'm not asking you to come and pay money. It's free, and I know people don't appreciate free things, but I'm making it free. Now, I'm making it open to everyone who cares to participate in it. It's trading. You are going to be the one doing the trading. You are not going to be doing more than 3 trades per day, and it is not compulsory you trade every day. It is not everyday affair. It is occasional affair. When signal is available, your time for trade is here, you trade it. You are good. If you now say because you have been trading, for the past 5 days you have been trading, you have been winning. Let me be doing morning, afternoon, evening. You have entered one chance. This is the problem people have, and this is why I stopped training people. If you want to know why I stopped, because people know the year word, greediness, where they their head. It passed my whole. I think say me I dey greedy. I don't know say my chieftaincy title for greediness is even small compared to some people. Some people hold their own. Now they fit tear their own hand, turn them to turkey. So don't be that way. You want to make money and you want to sustain it. It's simple. The plan is to double it up. Double it up. Make enough until you hit 1 million. once we hit 1 million, you can pay yourself. Hello? You say, but it will be long. It's not long. Hello? It's not long. It is not long. For your mind, it looks long. It looks whatever. Between you waiting 3 months to get money and hurrying up to blast the money, blow the money, blow your account, and end up with nothing, which one is better? You know you are making the money. You will be seeing the money. Hello, you will be seeing the money. You will be collecting the money. The money will be in your account. If you like, spend now. It's your business. I have told you, I am not ready to train anybody. I am not ready to start counseling anybody, motivating anybody. I only wanted to show few people the trick, the logic to this that will make it simpler and easier for you. It's even easier and better than me training you. You get tutored by the market. We say do 3. You do 3, you close. You don't go out. Okay, I could remember 2020, even when we were working at the office and we were trading, we resume almost 11 o'clock. By 2, 1, sometimes 3, we are done and we go our house. And then we'll do 2 testing trading, then 3 main trading. And we'll hit our profit, we go home. It's the same thing I say you will do. But you see, I'm going to create a group where I will guide you, show you how it's being done. You mustn't, if you like overtrade, concern me. I'm not going to run, I'm not going to shout, I'm not going to repeat anything. The rules are very simple. There are people who are using the current signal that is available for free, who are using it to trade. I use it to trade. My robot trades on it. Okay, my robot trades on it. I don't need more than 3 trades per day. You too don't need more than 3 trades per day. Okay, if you make $10 today, let's say you start with 20,000 naira, and you make 5,000 naira every day. If you make 5,000 naira every day, 5 times 10, that's 50. So in just 2 weeks, you would have made your 100%. And you are done. You are waiting for the next one. If you want to trade for 20 days, good, fine. You know that the extra on top of your profit will be the one you can use for yourself. But your capital must be maintained. So the plan is to grow. You see, when you have bigger capital, you will not be able to trade anyhow. Hello, you will not be able to trade anyhow. You will not be able to trade anyhow. I can testify and tell you, I know. It's because you have small money, you have $10, $20, you are doing 10 trades, 20 trades. You use yourself, imagine the energy you will use to do 10 trades. If you use that same energy to do just 2, or even 1 with big funds, it means you're going to be making more. Let's even say you are making 10% every day, and you decide to use maybe 30% of your money to trade. It means you will be making 3% every day. It's enough, more than enough. But because you see, we don't have substantial capital. We don't have substantial capital. You want to grow money. You want to grow money and make better money. Okay, my plan and my target is very simple. I'm aiming at bigger profit, bigger money, bigger volume. So that's why for a long time I've been cooking myself and cooking the things I'm going to use to make it easier, stressless. Okay, the only thing that had me set back is light, and I've been able to look for a way to rectify it. So I need you to understand, it's important. You want to work on this, all you need to do is you send me a message. It's free. Hello, it's free. I'm not asking you to bring 1 naira. Okay, you're not bringing any 1 naira, anything. It's free. And I'm going to make the signal, the opportunity open from now till December, till January itself. Okay, I'm going to make it available till January. But you see, you are going to have to follow the instruction if you want to make money. The opportunity or the possibility of you losing money lies in you disobeying the rules. If you disobey, I go beat you koboko. DERIV go wire you. This period is not period you are supposed to be losing money. You're supposed to be making money. You're supposed to be making money. So I'm bringing you an opportunity where you can make money. All you need to do is to send me a message so that I'll know it's from YouTube. You send YouTube 60K. Okay, you send me a message, YouTube 60K. I'm going to add you to the group. The first 2-3 days, you are not going to use your real money, okay? You are going to sample and see what you want to do. Now, there is a reason why I'm making this open to you guys to see, so that you can understand that the major problem we have in trading has not always been strategy, or they work. No, it has always been ourselves. And the only way you can help yourself, if you stay focused to yourself, don't assume anything. Do not assume, don't have any assumption. So I'm telling you now, if you are interested, note this: number one, you are not going to make any money. You are not going to collect any money until after 3 to 4 months. But you are going to make good money. Hello? You're going to make good money. So you're going to invest all the profit you make back into the trading. Sorry, I don't understand. I think my phone is getting hot. I'm in the car, so it's low, so I plugged it. So I think it was getting too hot. Now, this is what you need to do, guys. Number one, I think place it near the AC. It should cool off a bit. Just send me a message, YouTube 60K. Okay, if you send me a message, YouTube 60K, once I get everybody together, I'm going to connect you to it. Remember, I said for the first 3-4 months, don't expect any money. Don't expect any return. You are going to be trading with your own money. You are not giving me your money. You're not giving nobody your money. You're going to be doing it yourself. Now, because you're doing it yourself, you're going to be making the money yourself. But you should not touch the money. If you make profits, you are going to reinvest the profits back into the business. Now, the plan is to have a bigger portfolio for trading. Let me let you in on something. The bigger your portfolio, the better your earning, and the less stress you will have. I've seen it over and over. I've tested it over and over. And if not for some certain issues or some certain circumstances that are surrounding me from where I am currently, I'm not able to actively do what I intend to do. Okay, so, but I've made up my mind. Nobody is going to stop me. Not even some little challenges. I'm going to get it done. But I also want other people to participate with me, because let me tell you. Okay, let me give you an instance. For some of you who may have known Jeffrey Benson before, or Abib before, can you compare their earnings right now to what they were earning before? If you see better money trade, better money do business, you will trade less. Hello, you will stress yourself less. There are some of my students, they can do 10 trades straight up, no loss. Okay, 10 trade. Some of them, ask them, they can do 10 trades, no loss. And yet, they are not profitable. Why? We want too much from small where we get. So the first thing you need to eliminate, you need better money to trade. But you see, you don't have better money. What you can do for yourself is to grow that money. If you learn to grow, you will learn to be cautious. I've done it over time and over and over. But you see, every time I'm making the money to do whatever, my money always go with expenses. So I decided, no, I'm not going to allow that anymore. I'm going to just focus on this. Yes, you want to make money. You have expenses. I'm telling you, I know. Even the small, even some of you say, oh, okay, let me go and borrow 80,000. Let me go and borrow 50,000. Let me go and borrow this money. You borrow the money, finish. You start using it to trade. And at the long run, do you know what happens? You're making profits. The profit will not be enough. Why? You want to make more. And this assumption and this mindset is what always have majority setback. So you want to get rid of it from onset. I'm telling you, if you want to participate in this, you are not going to collect any money. You are not going to make any profit. You are not giving your money to me. You are not giving your money to nobody. But I'm telling you, you are not going to take any money from your profit until you have hit either 500,000 or a million. You are going to grow the money, and you are not going to leave the money on DERIV. No, it's going to be in your account. So there's going to be, you're going to have a trading account where you're going to, as you're making the profit, you're making withdrawals. You put your withdrawal in your bank. Okay? You put your withdrawal in your bank. You put it in your bank. Don't spend it. And if you want to be on the safer side, you learn to put it on, you convert it to dollars, okay? You don't put it in Naira, because Naira no get sense, okay? You open a USDT account on DERIV. Once you trade US dollar, you make profit, you withdraw it into USDT. Instead of putting it in your bank account. You are not going to touch, you are not going to trade, you can lock the USDT account. It's possible to lock and say no trading is allowed on this account. Yes, binary has all those functions. You can do that. So you lock it up. You are going to help yourself. Because when the money is plenty, when you have enough money, I could remember when I was trading with probably 300,000 or 500,000. I could make 50K, 100, sometimes even 200. It comes very easy. It's the same. But you see, there was a time I think I even traded with 1 million. Yes, I was trading with, it was not even up to 1 million then. 1,000 around that time was around 300 something. Was around 300,000 plus. So I had about 4,000 there. But because I have never traded with that volume before, I was skeptical. I said, what if I lose everything? So I started saying, okay, let me be warming up. Let me use the one I know I'm conversant with. Then occasionally you increase. Okay, you increase it occasionally. But this one, I want you to grow to a particular amount of money. 500,000, 1 million. But if you have 500,000, you have more million, I will still set you back to a smaller side. Why? Control. Control is important. So that you don't just do anyhow. This platform, within 1 second, your village people can minister to you. Go and ask all the students we are get. You don't want to be a Muntula in this regard, because you will be seeing things that will be tempting you. That's when you will know, that yesterday I made money, and if let me try this one, self, if it go work. It work once, you don't enter one chance. You are going to try it again. So whatever you try right now is what you're going to continuously do. So what I want you to do is to send me a message, whether WhatsApp, whether Telegram. Send me a message, YouTube 60K, and I'll get you started. Okay, you're not paying anything. You're gonna be running signal setup. Now, the advantage of the signal setup is that you can do buy and sell. Okay, so the waiting period is very small. The waiting period is very small. Why am I not asking you to bring money? Why am I not? I don't need you to bring any money. Why? The plan is for us to make more money so that you have enough money to trade conveniently. Okay, when you have enough, you don't necessarily have to be trading every day. Take it. You don't have to trade every day. You don't. There is a friend of mine I know, he doesn't trade every day. He trades 1 week in a month. 1 week in a month. and it's making freaking money. If I can see, if I'm opportune to see such amount of money, nobody will give me such kind of money. Nobody will give me $10,000. Nobody will give me 10,000. That's 10 million. Nobody will give me 10 million. If anybody gives me 10 million now to trade, I'm very okay. It's going to be stressless. In fact, 3 million will just go straight to robots. Straight. Because robot trades every day. Me, I don't trade every day, but robots every day, it trades. And I will run it locally. I'm not even running server, whatever. I will run it locally. Because I've been able, our internet has confirmed me to be able to build my robots to suit our internet. If no internet, no business, shut down. Internet, yes, we continue. If there is internet, we continue. If there is no internet, we shut down. Because the internet is not that stable and it's not that strong. But what I need is an internet that can do once it can do this small video, I'm okay. It will run it. So over the years, I had to work with internet. I had to conform to internet. Design everything I'm doing based on availability of internet. There is no internet I have not gotten. The only one I have not gotten is the Starlink. That's the only one I have not gotten. The other ones I've gotten them, I've tested them. Even the location where I am now, some of them don't even work. They don't even pick anything. So guys, the opportunity is for you to be able to make money. And I want us to do it together. I'm starting afresh for the month of in fact, we don't even, November don't even finish. November starts this week. Okay, November starts this week. So I want you, if you're interested, you have a minimum capital of 60,000. If you have more, no problem. You have 1 hour. I only need few people. Now, these few people will be the people when they have done 3-4 months and they've seen the parole, how it works. They've mastered it, the whole territory and the whole thing. They will be the one to encourage others to try it. Over time, I've taught my students this pattern. Okay, I've taught them over time this pattern. But you see, needs and challenges that we have will not always allow us to stick to this thing. I can tell you, I know, I've been there too. You have bills to pay. I have bill of 2 million now to pay, and you want me to make money. As I'm making the money, I'm looking at, can this thing make 4 million self? Not just target waiting I need. Can it make 4 million? Don't think that way. That way you're not going to make money. You're going to lose more money. Okay, I'm telling you, you're going to lose more money. If I tell you, I've been in this game for long, I know you're going to lose more money. What you need actually is to start small. Grow your pattern. Grow your flow. Be consistent. Ensure you have mastered the rudiments. Then, gradually, from all the ones you're making, you increase your flow. Not from your own money, okay? You increase your flow. Your assumption first should be, I am here to make money. I am still learning the ropes. I am here to make money. I'm still learning how it works. Assume if you go to learn workmanship, you will stay 3-4 months learning the row, even a year, learning the how it works. Assume that's exactly what you want to do. So whether you have traded before, you've not traded before, binary don't slap you, it never slap you, whatever you do, I want you to do it slow and steady. Now I make it open. I'm not gonna go to Instagram. I'm not gonna go. It's just YouTube and my people. I just only need 10 from my student, 10 from anybody who has not traded before. You want to earn this period, November, December, festive period don't enter. You need to spend money. But hey, you're not going to collect any money to spend. If you like, make profit and collect all the profit and do Christmas. I will remove you. Here now, I will remove you because you're going to be updating. You don't do trade today. Their signal, have you traded today? You never trade. Go and trade. Even if you have not done it before, I'm going to guide you to have enough confidence to be able to do it. You don't need to fear. Okay, you don't need to be afraid. Am I going to lose money? Will I lose money? You're going to test run this and see for yourself how visible to do 3 trades. Okay, how visible is it for me to do 3 trades successfully every day and not have a loss? Let me tell you, if you're trading for 20 days, it means I'm going to be doing over 60 trades monthly. Am I not expecting to lose? There are going to be losses, but you see the losses are minimal. Why are they minimal? I'll tell you why they are minimal. They are minimal because when you trade, when you should, exactly when you should, you are not going to, out of 10 signals, probably maybe 1 or 2 are going to go haywire. That means go opposite direction all of a sudden. We are trading for a small percentage. Before they go all of a sudden, we can even get out. And you can also, you will learn one thing, how to exit a non-winning trade. Okay, it's very important. It's one key factor that will help you make money. The plan is to double our money. We double. Remember I said the minimum is 60,000. There is a reason why it's 60, why it's not 100. Okay, there is a reason why it's 60, why it's not 100. The smaller it is, the better it addresses your ego and your focus. You'll be able to understand and do exactly what you are told to do. So there is a robot that trades the same signal setup. Okay, the same signal we're going to be trading. There is a robot that trades it, but I don't have it running yet on the internet. It can only be done locally on your local system. It means you have to have system. You have to have lights. You have to have internet. So it's expensive to maintain. Okay, it's expensive to maintain because most of the servers I've gotten some, but they gave me some parole to use. I tried them. They later lock off and tell me I cannot trade on it. Why? Because the route of their VPN always changes. Okay, it changes. You need something that is, even if it is Nigeria, for instance, like MTN data changes, but it's still Nigeria. Not the one that will change from Nigeria to another country and then changes back and changes back and change. So it's not making it stable. And that's the one that I know will give you swift response. The other one has about 2 seconds delay. Okay, it runs on API. That one can run on the web. Anyone who cares to want to test that, I can give you have access to it. You test it with demo for a month, leave it, allow it to run. You'll see how it goes. You'll see whether it's profitable or not. Now it's the same thing this robot are trading that you're going to be trading. Okay, I've had robots done this for more than 2021, since 2021 that it has been trading it. Okay, it's only this year that it's not been consistent because I have light issue. Okay, it's only this year, since last year, that it's not been consistent because of light issue. So I only run it at night. When I on my gen, I run it at night. I run it from night till about 12 or 1 or 2 sometimes. It's only now that, but then it used to be 24 hours. I would just leave it on because there is inverter, there is light, there is everything to back it up. So why I'm bringing this opportunity to you is so that you have an opportunity to earn. Even if you don't know how to trade before, you've been looking for a way to learn how to trade. This will guide you. Okay, you're not going to be, I'm not going to be teaching you how to generate revenue. I'm going to be teaching you the rudiment of trading itself. Trade. Okay, now let's say you have signal, you have this, you trade, you place the trade. You learn to control yourself. You are going to grow capital. We want to make money, but we want to grow the money. Okay, instead of you sourcing for money, instead of you bringing big money, ending up losing it, can we grow the money from the platform using the strategy, using the things that we want to use to be making the money? You make the money. Then when you make the money, you can now do the needful, pay yourself. Okay, guys. So anybody who is interested, send the message. And remember, I have limited space. The group is not going to allow more than 20 people. Okay, because my plan is that this set of people will be my spokesperson. Let them go and show others and teach others how it's done. Okay, I've learned not to make noise anymore. I've learned not to talk too much anymore. If something they work, I've learned to keep quiet. Now people make me so. I'm not like that before. Those who know me will know I'm not like that before. I like talking and sharing more. But now it they work, it they do. I keep to myself. Okay. But I want to share this with just few people so that they can learn the parole and also utilize this opportunity. I've done it a couple of times this year. I've done it like 3 times. Okay, every 3 months I've done that. So I want to do that December till January. Now, the reason why I was supposed to do it start last month or this month, but I said no. Let me finish the one I'm running. Then I'll run this December to January, because January is always very quiet. So let me run it till January. So remember, you are going to make money, but you are not going to be spending the money. Okay, you're not going to be spending the money. So when you're going to collect the money, it's going to make sense to you. Okay, when you will harvest your money, it will make sense. It's better that way, so that when you have bigger capital to trade, you're earning big. Let me give you an instance. Let's say you have 500,000 naira and you're staking 100,000. It means every day you can be making 30,000. That's how easy it is. It's easier and better that way. If you are making 30,000 every day, it means a week you will make at least 150K. It makes more sense, okay, than you trying to look for money from somewhere or from somebody. Let me tell you, right now, for instance, I don't have anybody that will give me money. I have bills, I have things that piles up. Nobody will give me the money. So this is what I do every time to raise money, to raise fund. Once I raise the fund, oh good, I said to myself, it's the same thing I use in running and making expenses. Nobody, they pay me money. I'm not working under anybody. This is what I do for a living. So if it's not working, or I go down park, I go down there do Uber or do something. So I need you to understand, it's slow and steady. Don't rush. Take it easy. So guys, I'll see you another time. If you have any question about this opportunity, just please send me a message. I will reply you. Preferably on whichever of my number. I think I have both WhatsApp here, apart from the one that I don't have the call. So guys, see you on another time. And let me see the people who are connected. Adioshun, how are you? Dynasty, Jafar, Spiritual Battle, Mustafa, okay, Pious. Great to hear from you guys. It's been a long time. You guys will agree with me that it's been a while since I've last come online. I've learned to mind my business. So this is still part of minding my business, but I just felt like I have a bigger community. It would not be nice if I did not even share small out of what I'm doing or working on, so that you guys can benefit from it as well. So guys, God bless you. Thank you for connecting with me. God bless you. And if you're watching this video afterwards, please, you can still also respond. If there is a vacancy, I will let you know. God bless you. How do you even stop this thing again, sir? It's not supposed to be this X, but okay.